Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to be popular on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and go and download the Likee application. Then guys, of course, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee to of course be able to start your journey. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have five tabs, where we have your profile, we have messages, we have the big black and white plus button where you can put your own content on, and we have the search bar where you can search for anything, and we have the explore and the For You page, which is the last thing. But now guys, let's see how you can actually be popular on Likee. So basically, you need to creating an attractive profile. First up, you need to assume that those who see your content will also check out your profile. You need to make a creative video of flawless quality, of course. Nobody wants to watch something that is not a good, high quality. You need to collab with popular influencers, share your videos on other platforms, and of course you need to go and post short videos on also. Also guys, you need to engage with your followers. So if you engage with your followers, put some comments, they will be heart-warmed and they will of course then go and interact with you even more. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.